Hello there! Today I want to discuss with you about one of the most heated topics going on recently. Are we facing inflation or deflation? I am on the deflation side, and in this video I will briefly tell you about why I think we are facing a deflation. The reasons are not very complex because I believe that economics is not meant to be overcomplicated. So let's start. The most straightforward indicator of inflation or deflation is CPI, which stands for Consumer Price Index. The percentage change in CPI estimates inflation. However, CPI tends to overestimate inflation because of the way it is calculated, and the upward bias is estimated to be about 1% per year. Our index has declined by about 0.2% since April, and it has only increased by 2% for the past 12 months. The inflation rate is still positive. However, it is so low that it does not rule out the possibility that the actual inflation rate has already been negative, which means deflation. Beyond measurement and numbers, there are three other factors that drive inflation. They are output gap, raw material prices, and expectations. If the actual GDP still falls behind its potential, which is our case, there will not be enough demand out there in the market. The producers do not need to hire more workers, and the wages remain the same, the labor cost remains the same, the prices do not need to rise either. The second factor is the prices of raw materials. It leads to the same direction as the output gap. The prices for oil and industrial metals like copper still remain low. Unless there are some supply shocks, like the oil supply shock, if there is that can possibly raise the prices for the raw materials in the near future. So the real uncertainty is actually about the third term, expectation of inflation. Some people argue that the increasing high power money supply and increasing government debt might lead to inflation or even hyperinflation. Their fears are reflected by the high gold prices. Now people have started to worry about and talk about deflation. Some people fear that Europe is going to follow Japan and have deflation coming up soon. Please go check out my new blog post or leave a comment below to let me know if you think there is going to be deflation or inflation coming up, or what you think people's expectations are. And thank you for watching. Bye!